Hi guys, I'm Lexi and I'm a practitioner's assistant at Integrative Wellness Group, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my morning matcha, which is the most important part of my day. So step one is to boil the water. I use a teapot with the temperature on top. The temperature for matcha is very important. We want the water to be around 180. If it's higher than that, it could kill the antioxidants. So that's step one. Once the water's boiled, I fill up about 3/4 of the cup with my boiling water, and then the rest I'll use unsweetened almond milk. So after you add the water, you're going to add your matcha. You want to make sure that you have a good quality matcha that has a nice green color. If the color is dull and on the darker side, then it might not be the best quality. So just add your matcha in. And then I'll add my unsweetened almond milk. These two ingredients are totally optional. This is just how I love to make mine, but I'll do a teeny bit of pure vanilla extract. And then a dash of cinnamon. And then lastly, I'll add my cordyceps, which are my adaptogens, which help with immunity and also with adapting to stress. So I'll do about half a teaspoon of these. So the last piece of the puzzle, once you have all of your ingredients in the cup, is to take a convenient little hand mixer and to just mix it up. Using a spoon won't really do the trick because the matcha and the adaptogens will clump and they won't actually mix together. You can use a blender, which does a great job with the frothing, but if you're rushing to work and you don't have time to clean it, it's a little more convenient to use this. So that is how I make my matcha. I personally switched over from coffee to matcha because coffee was giving me a lot of anxiety. It gave me a very uncomfortable feeling in my chest. Matcha gives me energy, but without that feeling and also without the crash. So I absolutely love my morning matcha. It's also full of antioxidants, which as you're detoxing and as you're on other supplements, which we would recommend through autonomic response testing, it's a great way to support your immune system. So there's my matcha and hope you enjoyed.